not runabouts work?
Oh God. Alright. Who did? Where did it come from?
Truck.
That truck up ahead?
Yep.
Okay.
It's hard to divorce the murder of Charlie Kirk from everything else that we've been seeing for so long. I mean, it's very difficult to not draw the direct dot, not merely to the recent horrific murder of the Ukrainian refugee in Charlotte, where the man in custody apparently said, "I killed the white girl, I got the white girl," whether it's transgender adjacent shootings in Minneapolis, Minnesota, or Nashville, Tennessee 2 years ago. I mean, you go back even further than that, whether it was Nicholas Rockwood, man from California, who flew cross country to Maryland with a necktie and bought a handgun and should have.
แม้เพียงสิ่งเล็กๆเช่นแสงแดดที่ส่องผ่านหน้าต่างร่างกายที่ยังตื่นขึ้นมาได้อาหารมื้อเช้าที่รออยู่บนโต๊ะแล้วก็คุณอยากได้ราวกับมันเป็นแล้วคุณกำลังสั่นพลังงานของตัวเองไปในทิศทางใหม่เป็นการประกาศเงียบๆกับจักรวาลว่าฉันมีแล้วทั้งหมด
if they have it, but it's Oakland.
Shit out. Oh!
Ever since, I've been kind of interested in you, or your name, your family, your career, and when you wrote the original draft of the story we just listened to, my friend, I was tickled as pink as the windsock on Chuck's microphone.
All blacked out. And gold, gold, it doesn't have chrome, it has gold. I'm thinking that it's from Japan.
Is it somebody turbocharged?
No.
Well, it's made in China. Japan, they have turn signals.
Yeah.
It's the Chinese knockoffs that don't have the turn signals.
Whoa! I gotta go.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye.
Are you okay?
I don't remember.
And champagne.
I wouldn't have been.
Wow. was someone coming up the ramp onto 540.